Hi everyone, and welcome to this QuickBooks Online tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to sort your chart of accounts list in QuickBooks Online. First, open your preferred internet browser and go to the QuickBooks login page. Sign in using your correct username and password. Make sure your credentials are accurate because incorrect details will delay your access to the platform. After logging in, select QuickBooks Online from the service options. This ensures you're in the correct online environment. Once inside, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Transactions tab and then click on Chart of Accounts. This section serves as a complete financial scorecard for your business, giving you a detailed overview of assets, liabilities, and more. To organize your accounts, click on any column header. For example, clicking the name header will sort your accounts alphabetically, making it faster to locate specific records. You can also sort by account type, detail type, QuickBooks balance, or bank balance. These flexible options allow you to create a view that best fits your financial management needs. Sorting your chart of accounts is simple but powerful. By customizing the view, you'll save time, reduce stress, and manage your financial data more efficiently. And that's it. You now know how to sort your chart of accounts list in QuickBooks Online. This small step can make a big difference in keeping your business organized and on track.